Dave Redl is getting his car ready to hit the road, but this isn't your typical vehicle. He's driving a Hearse because he's sick of seeing distracted drivers behind the wheel.
I pass people that are almost running into the side of my trailer because they don't see me. People running stop signs. I've seen guys hit semi-trucks head on.
The Steinbach resident was in the market for an old car when he came across the white Hearse. After he bought it, it got him thinking, what if he were to turn the Cadillac into a moving billboard, warning against the dangers of texting and driving? So far, reactions are mixed.
A lot of people love it, and then there's going to be those people who think this is crazy and that it shouldn't be on the road.
The fully loaded Hearse comes with a casket and bright lights, driving home his message.
If you look at the side window there, you can see the casket in there, and just something about seeing that with all the stuff that's on the Hearse really makes you think twice.
Someone who knows firsthand the dangers of distracted driving is RCMP officer Carrie McKee. She's happy to see someone in Steinbach raising awareness.
You can see it at every stoplight, at every intersection. There's usually always somebody that has the head down and off to the right, and you know right away what they're doing.
Recently, Redl says he met a father at an auto parts store who says the message was loud and clear for his teenage son.
And he's like, well, my son, he texts like there's no tomorrow. My wife and I are scared he's going to kill himself due to it, and he refuses to put it down. Long story short, he's like, my son seen your car last night and he came home crying because he could not believe what he's actually doing.
As for Redl, he says he's just getting started. He's hoping to talk to high school students to spread the message. Austin Grabish, CBC News, Winnipeg.